Hello, you are watching an important video highlighting men's rights and the injustices they face. Men also need protection from mental and social pressures. This video is brought to you by Vastav Foundation, a leading NGO dedicated to men's rights. For any assistance, you can contact Vastav Foundation at 888-498-498. Are Indian men being betrayed by the legal system? In August 2024, the Gujarat High Court made a shocking decision: family conversations secretly recorded by a wife without her husband's knowledge are now admissible in court as evidence of domestic violence and cruelty.
This decision came despite the recordings being made surreptitiously, and it highlights a disturbing trend in how men's rights are being systematically undermined. Contrast this with the ruling from October 2023, where the Chhattisgarh High Court emphatically stated that secretly recording a spouse's phone conversation without their knowledge is a blatant violation of privacy, protected under Article 21 of the Constitution.
The court ruled that such recordings cannot be used against an individual, regardless of the situation. This ruling underscores the stark hypocrisy in our legal system. While the Gujarat High Court's decision opens the floodgates for any clandestine evidence that could be used to tarnish a man's reputation and rights, the Chhattisgarh High Court said that recording wife's phone conversation is violation of right to privacy.
This is a proof of the double standards and biased approach against men by court. Men across India face a grim reality where their basic rights are disregarded. The legal system often seems more concerned with supporting women at the expense of men's dignity and fairness.
In a system where family matters are decided on the basis of secret recordings and emotional testimony, it's the men who find themselves fighting an uphill battle. The Gujarat High Court's ruling, in particular, shines a light on a dangerous trend where men are increasingly vulnerable to unjust legal battles, while the Chhattisgarh ruling illustrates a rare instance of protecting privacy, albeit inconsistently. These contradictory legal standards reveal a deep-rooted bias, leaving men struggling for justice.
Why is the protection of privacy not equally enforced? Why are men's fundamental rights being trampled? In the face of such legal discrepancies, it's time to ask hard questions and demand a system that truly balances justice for all.
Men are not just collateral in family disputes, they are human beings deserving of fair treatment and equal protection under the law. The fight for men's rights is not just a fight for fairness, it's a battle for dignity and respect in the face of systemic bias.
Slogan: Justice for all. Respect #men too as per Article 14 of Indian Constitution. Courts should not be gender biased against men. Let us stand up for men's rights.
Thank you for joining us on this important issue. It is our collective responsibility to spread awareness about men's rights and prevent the injustices they face. If you or someone you know is a victim of any kind of harassment, please contact Vastav Foundation at 888-498-498. Together, we can build a just society.